Welcome girls to this class on dietary fiber. Now to know what dietary fiber is, you should know that it is one of the main nutrients, like how you have protein, starches and sugars, fats, vitamins and mineral salts, water. Similarly, dietary fiber, otherwise called or originally called roughage, is also an important nutrient. To define dietary fiber, it is that part of the plant material, leaves, stems and seeds which are resistant to digestion by digestive enzymes of human beings that cannot be broken down by digestive enzymes. Now to look into the sources: cereals, whole cereal flours; pulses, whole pulses with cuticle; dals, decuticled; nuts, groundnuts; vegetables, fresh and dry; fruits, fresh and dry, are the sources for dietary fiber. Each has different percentage. The daily requirement for dietary fiber is 100 milligrams per kilogram body weight, or 5 to 6 grams per day. In case of therapeutic conditions like constipation or diabetes or heart disease, it is 25 to 30 grams per day. Looking into the functions of fiber, fiber functions like a sponge, absorbs water, swells up, increases the fecal bulk. It stimulates the large intestine for peristaltic movements, speeds up transit time, that is the time taken for the mass to pass through the digestive system. It traps nutrients like glucose, fatty acids and bile salts and excretes them. Now, the dietary or clinical application of dietary fiber is its role in colonic diseases, constipation, appendicitis, diverticular diseases, hemorrhoids or piles, colon cancer, metabolic diseases, obesity, diabetes mellitus, ischemic heart disease, gallstones, varicose veins, and rheumatoid arthritis. It also plays a role in endocrine disorders, thyrotoxicosis, and Addison's disease, and in other diseases like dental caries, hiatus hernia, and Crohn's disease. Now, let's see the role of fiber in the prevention and treatment of constipation. Fiber retains or absorbs moisture, increases the fecal bulk, and stimulates peristalsis. There is rapid transit time because of the intake of fiber, enables the mass to pass down the GI tract rapidly. Hence, fiber prevents fecal mass from becoming hard, dry, and difficult to evacuate. 50 grams of bran, 100 grams of raw carrot, 150 grams of apple, or 200 grams of orange can hold 200 ml of water. Bran has the greatest laxative effect. Agar from seaweeds, pectin from fruits are all common therapeutic aids to overcome constipation. Fiber and appendicitis. Fiber prevents stagnation of waste materials in the large intestine, lesser chances for elimination of undesirable microorganisms which penetrate through the large intestine into the appendix, less incidence of appendicitis. Fiber and colon cancer, rapid transit time, less time for colonic bacteria to produce carcinogens, hence prevents colon cancer. Fiber and hemorrhoids, a low fiber diet results in hard feces, straining during defecation, fissures formed at the anus, resulting in hemorrhoids or piles. Anal fissures leads to bleeding at the time of defecation. Fiber and obesity. Fiber prevents excess energy intake by inducing satiety, requires more mastication and effort to eating, leading to lesser food intake. It traps and excretes glucose and fats, and excess of which leads to obesity. You see here, obesity is not an overnight occurrence. Little by little amounts, 10, 20 kilocalories per day, will result in a large amount gathering together over a few months' time, resulting in a big fat man. Diabetes and fiber. Fiber displaces available nutrients, glucose and fatty acids, increases chewing, slows down the food intake, rapid transit time, less glucose absorbed. Pectin and guar, that is the fiber from cluster beans, drastically reduce blood sugar level. Fiber and heart disease. Fiber displaces and traps fatty acids, bile salts required for fat digestion and absorption, rapid transit time. The bran decreases cholesterol by 12 to 14%, guar from cluster beans 10 to 12% has an effect on blood cholesterol. Fiber and dental caries. A high fiber diet reduces the intake of refined sugar. There is more mastication, hence promotes more salivary flow, prevents food stagnation, hence lesser incidence of dental caries. Now looking into the requirements. A person requires 25 to 30 grams per day. Indian diets provide 50 to 100 grams per day from whole cereals, pulses and vegetables. Hope you have understood what dietary fiber is and its clinical role. Thank you.